Welcome to Metal Illustrated, and today I want to show you very small and really cool gadget. Smartwatch. A real smartwatch. Not Apple Watch, it's a smartwatch. And for those people who go to the gym or do a lot of training, ride a bicycle, you must have. Because this watch you have inside Bluetooth, pedometer, heart rate monitor, but I'm a simple guy. I don't go to the gym, I drink some beer, and I don't ride a lot of bicycle. And now you may be starting to wondering why he have this watch. But I have very simple answer for you. Because I own many action cameras, like this one. It's 360 Mi Sphere 360 camera, and all settings you control by phone. So actually, in this case, it's a smartwatch. Imagine, in one hand you have phone, on the other hand you have action camera, or even simple camera, or even your quadcopter. How you can control, how you can concentrate. It's not so simple. You have in one hand phone, in another hand camera. You must hide somehow, put in your pocket, and you're going to miss some settings and so on. So this is a simple solution for me. I just love. It's so simple, and you control all the stuff. That's the point. And now I want to show you why this watch is special. Why I like this watch. Why I don't like, we say, Apple Watch. Because this is not only smartwatch. It's very nice looking watch. Metal. I really like this inch. It's a simple and real watch. Plus, you can use like a phone, you can put SIM card, it's 2G, 3G, it's not supports 4G, maybe in the future. You have 2 RAMs and 16 gigabytes memory, so it's quite a lot and it's really powerful. And now I want to show you what this watch can do. Show a little menu and some simple settings. And inside the box you're going to find AllCall W1 watch, instruction book, that's in English, some screen protection that I don't use, and magnetic charging cable. Actually very simple to use. See? Simple. You cannot get in the wrong way. It's not going to work. This watch you have SIM card. And we look a little bit more what this watch you have inside. Like you see, you can access weather, you can get some directly info, SIM card and Bluetooth, or like a phone, fast access to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode and so on, and step counts. This button is back button, and this button it's like menu button. I show a little bit later. And now we're going to settings. Settings. And we just read about this watch. Like you see, it's Android 5.1, CPU 6580, so it's quite powerful. It's 4 chassis. Phone storage 16 GB and RAM 2 GB of RAM, so it's a lot. Like you see, I pre-install some apps. Popcorn time, so I can flight my quadcopter, my spare camera that I control, action camera, 360 action camera. And when I ride bike, I use this app. It's bike map, because this watch have GPS. And when you push this button and hold, you're going to this short menu, and you see we're going to uncheck that and get small screen. So you get all info in the screen, or it's a little bit smaller screen with all info, because it's a watch. Now we make full, so you see it's going to be round now. That I really like. It's very useful function. And even when you press and hold, you can delete all your tasks. But it's 2 RAMs, so it's quite powerful. Now we're going to test popcorn time. And maybe we take Star Wars movie. Just watch it. It works really fast, actually. Enjoy. I think it's a sound, yeah. So you can get some picture in all screen. This watch have a lot of faces, so you can change or even download. It's hundreds or maybe even thousands. You have Play Store, so it's no problems with downloading apps. You just download Facebook and so on, Skype, and yeah, all apps you need, maps and so on. What about tips? I'm using Lenovo charger for a tablet, for Android tablet. It's 2 amperes, so it's quite powerful. It takes for me to charge, to full charge, about 2 hours, and I'm using about 2 days in normal use. In we say active use, like I use with my action cameras, it maybe takes about 1 day, because I control action cameras, I control quadcopter and so on. I don't use Bluetooth, and I save a lot of power. I don't need it, so I recommend. I hope you like this video and this watch. Enjoy, like, and don't forget to subscribe.